Alright guys, Rocker Pat here. Alright, let's see. That is the first coat of primering on our repaired fender. And I think it came out alright. There's a few spots that need a little attention. But yeah, there you go. Rocker Pat, rocking it down, getting it down, getting ready to send them downtown. Yeah, you're coming one of these days. Got a little bit of work to do up in this zone, and right here, I don't know if we can see it, here and here, I think I'm gonna have to come back and get a grinder. I think that's a weld possibly sticking high, but other than that, I'm really pleased with the way it's looking, and I'm gonna keep rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking on this thing, and the next time you see it, we'll be throwing color at it. Talk to y'all next time. Y'all keep rocking.